Have you ever looked around your practice and wondered why good people keep leaving? Maybe you've blamed the job market, younger generations, higher salaries across town, or the simple fact that healthcare has become harder than ever. While all of those things certainly play a role, what if I told you that your staffing problem isn't really a staffing problem at all? More often than not, turnover is actually a systems problem. Practices with strong systems consistently retain people longer than practices that rely on good intentions and heroic managers. They create clarity, they reduce frustration, they help people succeed, and when people succeed, they're much more likely to stay. Welcome to Medical Money Matters, the podcast where you can find experts, answers, and resources so that you can achieve mastery over the financial and business aspects of your practice.